Alright, so check out my new sponsor, VVash. Stay tuned. We'll test them out.
Me think a bus, me have a bus, yeah. A couple bus, some ras bus, yeah. Me think a bus, me have a bus, yeah. A couple bus, some ras bus. Turn on the live, come live, yes sir. Me have the vibe, yeah.
Alright, so these are the new products. Supreme Shine. See, this guy's in a rush, open the bottle already. Color Foam Shampoo. It's supposed to be a green, it's a green edition. And then this is the Ultimate Wheel Cleaner. We're gonna test these out today. I'm over here with Preacher Lion Mobile Wash. He kinda shy, he don't wanna show himself on the camera. We're gonna clean the machine real quick.
Look on it.
Yeah, that's good, that's good.
Oh, they make it thick for you.
It's gonna set up, or supposedly supposed to set up. Alright, so fix up my shirt, make sure I look alright for the camera. Should have did that before, but yeah. So right now, this is basically the vibes of today. Check out the new products from the new sponsor. Wash off and see how good it come out, you know. And at the same time, we're gonna support my man right here with the mobile car wash, but using my products. You understand? But you know, if he likes my products, I'm gonna be linking in the description where he can buy some of the products too and get some to use on his truck. But he gonna test it out today and see. Alright, stay tuned.
Me think a bus, me have a bus, yeah. A couple bus, some ras bus, yeah. Me think a bus, me have a bus, yeah. A couple bus, some ras bus. Turn on the live, come live, yes sir. Me have the vibe, yeah the vibe, yes sir. We outside, outside. Titan up the whole place, nice coming. Buzz it, buzz it. Y'all hear the zzz and a pussy get wet. Come and buzz it. Buzz it, people are watching, listen on the blind and deaf. No me buzz it, buzz it. Them have to pay me attention, just and check. Come me buzz it, buzzing, buzzing, buzzing. Me have the sauce on the back. If them a run bird, me a run yeah. Girl want tight and kind hot. That means she will take bundle. Them have to pay me respect plus that.
So we check it out. The funds are pretty good. Not that bad. I'm gonna spray on some of the green cleaner. I know, that's the only thing. I didn't see it foam up green. That's what they try to clean up himself. So, this is the treatment you get when you get Preacher Lion Mobile Wash. Get in between the cracks and crevices. Yeah. Alright, so this is the wheel here.
Let's spray the wax stick on it.
So I'm gonna test out the Ultimate Wheel Cleaner. Let that sit a little bit, let's see what it does. No, sit down.
Yeah?
No matter camera trick up, I'll cut it anyway.
That's like if you have somebody at work.
Alright, so
You have somebody at work.
you can't go and rinse where you're doing, brother. Pick up watching meanwhile.
Yeah, she about to go to the gym.
She can't be coming right here. About to get shot by this.
Huh?
What number pressure that?
25.
Oh.
What an hour to carry that?
We done finish the regular wash. We're gonna dry off the car and then we're gonna test out the Supreme Shine. Basically put this on after your wash and we're gonna see how shine the car look. Alright, so we dry it off, looking clean. Not gonna let the wash car look nice, I shine up a little bit. But right now
Then I've wax smell it already.
I run the Supreme Shine. So yo, preacher.
Yeah man, Supreme it up. Ready?
Yeah.
That's what it look like. See the car look like glass himself. Smell good. Smell like air freshener.
You got a good scent to it as well, huh?
See what I'm going with Spray wax, $15 more extra. Like shine glass too.
You're good. That's shining. You can see yourself in here.
The man to forget that body's supposed to have enough of them. I'm saying, yeah man.
Alright, so after we've done that shine, I'm gonna give you a fly around with the drone, with a complete look at the whole car after. Wheels, body, everything. Yeah man, VVash. It's going good. Are you going first or you didn't like yourself? Look. Alright, so after wash, looking at this thing is shining.
The glass.
So nice gloss on this after using the Supreme Shine. The camera is not giving any justice, but yeah, this thing is proper. Ooh. The reflection on here is mad. Yeah, definitely recommend this product. I'm gonna put links in the description so you can pick up some for yourself. You can use my discount code and get yourself a little savings on it. But yeah man, check it out. This thing is looking fire right now. Let me back up.
Yeah, shine man.
So wrapping this video up, definitely gonna endorse if you're in the New York area, you need a mobile wash.
Where you can talk?
Check it out. Lion mobile wash. Definitely I'm gonna put the description, put him IG and stuff so you need to contact him. If you're in the New York area and need a mobile wash, Lion wash. And of course he's gonna be putting up where he posts up when because he's mostly in the Bronx still. But
Drive around.
you definitely can drive around and link up. Lion mobile wash.
Pull up on your block and wash your car when you come off of work, you tired, just call me. I'm out here. You just
Yeah, so that's pretty much it, you know. You at work and you need a wash, give him a link. You at school, you can come through. Wherever you at, you can come wash at the same time while you're shopping, you know, getting your car clean, all that good stuff. So yo, description, check out the links for Lion Wash, description for VVash Products, and use my discount code DBODIES. Yo, we're out.
Me have a bus, yeah, a couple bus, some rasmus, yeah. Me ting a bus, me have a bus, yeah, a couple bus, some rasmus. Hey, turn on the live, come we live, yes sir. Me have the vibe, yeah the vibe, yes sir. We outside, outside. Titan of the whole place, nice coming, buzzing. buzz it. Y'all hear the zzz and a pussy get wet, come me buzz it. Buzz it. People are watch all listen, all the blind and deaf, no me buzz it. Buzz it. Them have to pay me attention, cash and check, come me buzz it. Buzz it. Buzzing. Buzzing. Me have the sauce on the back. If them a run bird, me a run yak. Girl want tight and kind hot. That means she will take butter. Them have to pay me respect plus tax. Tax cheap on the money for your chat. Brain off the shop if you want job. You have to learn the game, listen now watch gas. Blue, first class, everything has last. Them a garbage, them figure in the trash. Them only go on like said them bad. But that a joke, so me have to laugh. That's when the boy, the bad no ass. The girl, them saying full as swag. Make them wet drip and splash. When the bus, you feel the blast. Sky buzz it, buzz it. Y'all hear the zzz and a pussy get wet. Come me buzz it, buzz it. People are watch all listen, all the blind and deaf. You know me buzz it.